है वेलकम बैक अगेन। आई एम दानिश अहमद। एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल ब्लॉसम इवन इंस्टीट्यूट पर। चलिए आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम सॉल्व करते हैं। फाइंड द स्क्वायर। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है फाइंड द स्क्वायर। आपको स्क्वायर निकालना है। जनरली हम स्क्वायर तो निकाल लेते हैं किसी भी नंबर का। स्क्वायर का मतलब होता है किसी भी नंबर को 2 टाइम्स उसी नंबर से या 1 टाइम्स उसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाइड करना। जैसे कि स्क्वायर ऑफ 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 इज इक्वल टू 4। तो इस 4 का 2 का स्क्वायर हो गया हमारा 4। लेकिन यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन ये है कि फाइंड द स्क्वायर मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3 अप टू 16। क्या है क्वेश्चन हमारा? फाइंड द स्क्वायर मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3 अप टू 16। यानी हमको स्क्वायर तो निकालना है लेकिन वो स्क्वायर 3 से मल्टीपल्स होना चाहिए और 16 तक होना चाहिए। तो सबसे पहले 3 से मल्टीपल मतलब होता है 3, 6, 9, 12, 15। इसके आगे हम नहीं ले सकते क्योंकि हमको सिर्फ 16 तक चाहिए। Find the square multiples of 3 up to 16. In this questions, we have to write the tables of 3 before the 16. So first of all, we think about the 3. Then the square of 3 is 9. Then the square of 6 is 36. Then the square of 9 is 81. Then the square of 12 is 144. Square of 15 is 225. So we get the answer. 9, 16, 81, 144 and 225. Our next question. Find the least number one three nine two should be multiplied to make it a perfect square. To make it a perfect square. Okay. This question is given here. To find the least number 1392 should be multiplied to make it a perfect square. In this questions is an imperfect square, the numbers given here, because we know that notable things at the end of the numbers 2, 3, 7 and 8 is come. What? 2, 3, 7 and 8 it's come on the unit place. This number is not have a perfect square. For example, 252 not have perfect square root because in the unit place has 2. So in the unit place has 2, 3, 7, 8 they not have the perfect square. So let's start to make a perfect square. First of all, we know that about the rules of divisibility, because how to know that the number divided by which number up to 0 to 9. So first of all, I write these numbers 1392. Then I think this number will be divided by 4 according to the rules of divisibility of 4, and also divided by 2, but we divided more than 2 numbers than 4. So whenever I divided by 4, then the 4 3s are 12, then 1 is come, 4 4s are 16, then 3, 4 8s are 32. Okay, again he divided by 4. So 4 8s are 32, it's 34, then come here 2, 4 7s are 28. So here this 2 multiplied by 2 and this 2 multiplied by 2 have the perfect square, but this number has not perfect square, is not divided. He needed 87 again. So this number is our answer. Let's find the third question answer. So our third number questions is same as by what list number must be by what list number must be divided 1350 to make it perfect square, to make it perfect square. By what list number must be divided 1350 to make it a perfect square? Same as this number will be divided by 10 according to rules of divisibility. So when I divided this number in the rough work, 1350 divided by 10 like this, 0 cancel, this our answer is 135. I also divided by 5 this number, so 5 2s are 10, this 3 come here, 5 7s are 35. This number, okay, then I broken this numbers, 10 5 27 is also divided by 9, so 3 9s are, okay, 3 9s are, so 3 is come here when I divided by 9. Then 10 5 9 3, so I'll write again 3 3s are 9, 5 1 times, then 5 2s are 10. So here we got a couple of numbers. This 3 is in perfect square because 3 3s are 9, 9 is a perfect square, and also 5 and 5 is a perfect square because in a double, square means a double, but it is not have a couples, it is a single, so multiply this to number, 3 2s are 6, our answer is 6. By what list number must be divided to 1350 to make it a perfect square? Our answer is 6. So our question number 4, find the cube of each of the following. We have to find the cube of the following numbers, given numbers. So first number is -3. So I'll write the cube. First of all, I understood you the cube means is any numbers multiply itself by 3 times, it's mean that's the cube. For example, 2 cubes, it's mean that 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 means the 2 is multiplied in 3 times, it comes the cubes. So the 2 cubes is 2 2s are 4 2s are 8s. 2 cubes 8s. So this is called the cubes, means any number multiplied by 3 times. So here -3 cubes, answer 3 multiplied -3 multiplied -3. Remember one thing, when you multiplied any numbers, it has a minus sign, so in the 2 times we can reduce this minus sign will be cancelled. 3 3s are 9, so 9 multiplied this -3, so 9 3s are 27, but minus sign is come, so cube of -3 is -27. Here number B, cube of 0.1. Cube of 0.1, it means that in simply 1 divided by 10, because after point have 1 digit, so we can write here 10 multiplied 1 divided by 10 and 1 divided by 10 3 times, as we know that in the cubes. So 1 1s are 1 1s are 1, our answer will come 1. 1 2 3 3 0, so we can write down here like this, is equal to 0.001 is our answer. Now next question. Okay, our next question is find the smallest number by which find the smallest number by which 968 should be multiplied to make it a perfect cube, to make it a perfect cube. So find the smallest number by which 968 should be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. So here we want to make a perfect cube. So what smallest number by which? So we have to find the smallest numbers in 968. So first of all, 968, if you know that the rules of divisibility, then you can easily find. So divided by 4. When I divided by 4, 968, so our answers come 4 1s 4 2s are 8, then 4 4s are 16, and 4 2s are 8. He again divided by 2, so 12 1. When I divided by 2, 121 is divided by 11, so our answer is come 11. Now 2 multiplied by 2, this number 2, I'll write here 11, and this one 11. So cube means 3 times multiplied. It means that's a perfect cube. But what number should be multiplied here to make it a perfect cube? The 3 times multiples of any number. So here's the 2 times multiples of 11. So we need 1 times 11. It means that our answer is an 11. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you so much. Please share this video to your friends, to your WhatsApp, Facebook group, and subscribe our channels, like our channels, and please do comments and encourages us to make up like videos, knowledgeable videos. Thank you so much.